Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, kind of like this one, which comes provided with a device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, string out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, if you have the provided case on your phone, you will need to take off the top part. There we go. And the tray is located on the left top side of the phone. And the one that I have is a little bit too thick, so I'm gonna grab a thinner one. There we go. And from here, once you find the insert pin, push the pin in. You'll see that the tray comes out. Now for you to grab it, take it out, and on here you have space for just a single SIM card. Place it like so on the tray, and then insert the tray back into your device. The card should start working right away. So it's looking for reception right now. And it just found it. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.